Hey guys, welcome to my new video. African Jojo here. My name is Josephine, live in Kampala, Uganda. Yeah, welcome to my new video. So if you have just clicked on this video on my channel, this is African Jojo. I've been working in Gulf country Qatar. Now I'm back in my country Uganda. So welcome to my channel, and please subscribe, like and share to support this channel. Yeah, so today's video I'm going to be taking you along with me to the streets of my area to buy some stuffs. Yeah, I'm going to buy some rice for dinner. Yeah, so let's go together. Today I'm taking you to the shortcut. So the video I uploaded last time, it was a long route. So today I'm just going to take a shortcut here. Yeah, so I decided to show you guys, or to take you with me. Yeah, guys, thank you so much guys for watching my videos every day. And liking, sharing, and yeah, commenting. I really appreciate your support. Your comments are really doing great job. Yeah, I appreciate that. I'm already looking. I haven't changed my hair. Yeah, I haven't changed my hair, but it's okay. I'm just still tired. Yeah, but I will change. I'm still looking like this. Yeah, so today I've dressed like this. I will show you my outfits when I get where to press my phone. Actually, I lost my my speaker, the one that connects the speakers. I lost them when I was coming. I don't know where I pressed them, because it was a messy travel. Yeah, but I will get, inshallah. Thank you so much guys. So let me show you. I'm right here where I stay. Yeah, this is the house I am here. This is where I stay. So this is my behind. Yeah, so I stay in the bush. I stay in the bush, in the plantations, like in the village, but it's so fresh and okay. Yeah guys, yeah, so that is it guys. So let's go. So as you stand here, you can see like this. Yesterday we were like that side. We were like that side. That's where I passed. Yeah, I wanted to see the route. I was actually like paying a visit there. Yeah, because I'm still new, I have to go through all the ways. I see what is going on. So you can see all the houses there guys. Too much. But here they are still building. Like here we give it like 8 months. Here there will be too much houses here. Yeah, see the cat there in the bush. Oh God. So yeah, that is it guys. The bush is bushing here. The snakes are going to bite us. Oh, here we have jackfruits. We got jackfruits here. It is actually evening here. Yeah, it is 6. It is 6:49. Yeah, it is 6:49 p.m. So this is my small how do they call it, small path. Yeah, a small path where we normally pass when we are going to the shop, the quick one. If you don't want to go the other side, because the other side is for the motorbikes and the cars. If you have a car, you pass through the other side, but if you want to walk, you can pass here. Yeah, but you see that hill, see that hill there. I have to climb it, and even when you're coming back, it is the same thing. So stressing and tiresome. Yeah, but what to do? We got to do it. Hey, I wish I could show you, but I don't know how. Where I have to put the phone. Okay, let me see if I can. So that is our town there. I'm going on the road. The road is there. We have the petrol station there nearby. Woof. You see, that's where I'm coming from. This is how it looks in the evening. I'm standing here up, so you can see through there at the end. So it is coming dark. Let me see. So you can see the route I used the other time. If you watched my last video, that is the one there. Yeah. So you can see, guys, there. Yeah. Oof. I want to show you how I slide here down, but I don't know if it will be possible. This is how it looks like in the evening, guys. Yeah, we are in the jam right now, guys.
Puerto Rican papi with that flavor, savorito de Puerto Rico. Uganda sis got the beats on blast. From the streets of Kampala real fast. Dripping with that rhythm, never miss. Worldwide sound can't resist. Jojo, everybody moving to the groove. Hearts on fire, we got nothing to lose.
Wait, I'm just coming back right now, but see, they are up. This is how it looks where I'm going down there. So I'm back, guys. I'm back from evening walk. This is what I have bought today for myself. I have bought 2 eggs. 2 eggs for me. Yes. And rice. I had gone to buy rice is the spice curry powder, and avocado. Yeah, other veggies I bought them yesterday, so I'm going to make rice for dinner. I'm going to mix rice with macaroni. Yes, that's what I'm going to eat today. Rice and macaroni mixed together, and I eat with avocado, guys. So guys, I'm here cooking. I've put onions inside. I'm trying to fry onions to brown them. I'm going to make rice. So there is my rice, tomatoes, and spaghetti. Yeah, and avocado there. So let's cook together. So now I have finished putting tomatoes. Yeah. After the tomatoes are ready, I will put the rice and then water. Yeah. My lighting is not good, guys, but we are cooking together today. Yeah. I don't have enough the lighting. I don't have a ring light. So we are here, guys. I've put rice and macaron already. I did not peel my tomatoes, so don't judge. Don't judge. We see but we don't judge. I don't like to make food like this, but right now we are in crisis. You don't have to peel the tomatoes. Yeah. See you when we are eating, guys. So here the food is ready. We are ready to eat. I'm still rice with pasta. Yeah. Is it still on? That is it. Come for dinner, guys. Come for dinner. We are ready to eat. Yes. Rice with macaroni and avocado. Vegetable on the side. Yeah.
Ugandan queen, no one higher. Cooking dishes that inspire.